Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to change the notification sound in Facebook Messenger. Please be with me till the end and I will teach you guys from step to step in an easy way. First of all, you have to make sure that your Facebook Messenger is updated. After that, you open your Facebook Messenger app and on the left upper corner, you can see a 3-line button. You have to click that button. After clicking that button, there we can see a setting icon. After clicking on the setting icon, something like this will appear in your screen. Then we have to click on the notification and sounds. After clicking on notification and sounds, we can see something like this, and on the third bar we can see text tone, and your text tone is something like this right now. And now you can click on the option shown in the screen and change the message notification sound. I hope this video was useful for you guys. We will be back with another videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Thank you.